Morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Almost through another week of online learning, which is crazy. I know for me, the days seem to be going by a lot faster now. Kind of just getting used to doing this, but I'd still rather be in school, seeing all of you, of course. So for today, also my dog Lola will be in the video tomorrow. Some of you have been asking about that. Today, this is our to-do list. We have our vocabulary quiz. So what you're going to do actually, hold on, let me read the learning objective. I can show that I have learned the vocabulary words from the biography by taking the vocabulary quiz. So you should have been practicing those words yesterday to prepare for the quiz today. So what you're going to do first is watch this video. If you want to go to YouTube and toss a like at it, that's a good idea too. Subscribe. Then you're going to go to vocabulary.com and practice the words for the quiz. If you haven't practiced already, if you've already practiced, just go ahead and take the quiz. I know I looked though, and some of you haven't practiced yet. So the practice list has the same name as the quiz, but it's called Zora Neale Hurston Biography, and it says assignment next to it. And then the quiz, when you're ready, take the quiz. It's called Zora Neale Hurston Biography Quiz. So let me just show you quick, because it's kind of weird. I don't know how to do it a different way, but let me think. I think it's. Wait, I guess maybe I can't show you right now. Sorry, hold on. I assigned it and it's not visible until 8, so maybe that's why. But anyways, it's the same name, but it says quiz by it, okay? So don't get confused and keep practicing if you're ready to take the quiz. All right, when you are done with that, just let me know if you want to retake the quiz, okay? You can just email me. I'll be on all day. So as soon as you email me, I'll go and unsubmit it. So if you get there's 14 questions. If you get like 6 out of 14 and you want to redo it, just let me know. I'll unsubmit it. You can redo it as many times as you need to get the grade, to learn the words, and then get the grade that you would like. So just email me, Schoology message or office hours, and I will do that for you. All right. Then if you're done with that, complete the assignments from Monday and Tuesday if you have not. Yesterday was just kind of a makeup day and catching up on practicing the words for today. So there wasn't really a new assignment yesterday. So there's those two Zora Neale Hurston assignments. They're part 1 and part 2 from Monday and Tuesday. One of them was on Google Slides and one was on Pear Deck, which I looked, and there's still only 30 of you that have joined the Pear Deck. So do that if you have not. And then just join my office hours. Contact me if you need anything. I'll always be here for you. Whether it's school related, stuff at home, just let me know. I got your back. And then, tomorrow, if you join office hours, we're going to be playing a game together around 10, probably. Just to kind of just to have fun with all of you, because we don't get to do that in person anymore. So join my office hours around 10 tomorrow if you're interested in that. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. It is mid-try grades are due tomorrow. So I'll be submitting your grades tomorrow. The last assignment that's going to be on your grades is this quiz, okay? This is the thing, last part of your mid-try grade. Conferences are coming up as well. You'll hear more information about that, but we are still doing conferences, okay? All right, everybody, have a great day. I'll see you soon.